currently holds the WBC strawweight, 100 pounds, minimum weight, silver belt of the world. So ladies and gentlemen, let us all welcome to the stage our very own and our future world champion, Denver Cuello Singwang Cha. Denver Cuello, ladies and gentlemen. Sa una si Kid Soriana. This fight will be at 107 pounds, good for 10 rounds. 107 pounds, exact weight, ladies and gentlemen. Let's give a warm round rapakatan ni si Kid Soriana, who came all the way from Indonesia. Let us wait for our picture taking later. Kid Soriana promised to knock out Denver Cuello before the round, within 6 rounds. So hambal niya, hindi ka out 6 rounds ni si Denver Cuello, natawag na ni Buwas. Now let us welcome our very own Denver Cuello. Denver Cuello is regarded by many boxing experts as the strongest guy at minimum weight. Ngunit champion nga nadlok sa iya, hindi magbato. Damo rason. Denver Cuello, 107.5 pounds. Palakpakan ta, ladies and gentlemen. So let us have the face-off of both fighters.